Now we will learn about the methods of the radicals. The assertive nationalists had no faith in the constitutional method followed by the early nationalists. So the assertive nationalists, they have not at all faith, and they does not believe in the constitutional method which were followed by the early nationalists. 20 years of prayers, petition, appeals, resolution and representation had failed to yield any concrete result. So what did the radicals thought? They thought that whatever the moderates were doing, they have launched different types of methods, and it took almost 20 years, but still they did not get any result. So they think that whatever the moderates are doing, that is not appropriate. Tilak knew that British would never concede to the demand for Swaraj without a struggle. So Bal Gangadhar Tilak, he thought that, and he also knew that the British will never leave our country until and unless we will struggle, or we will fight for our country. So this is the main reason why the radicals have different views as compared to the moderates. So a radical method of active opposition to the government would have to be adopted. So finally the radicals, they thought that they have to make different types of methods so that they can overthrow the British from our country, and we can use, or we can throw the British from our country. How? By using the different types of movement so that we can attain Swaraj. Swaraj would have to be achieved through a political anti-government agitation and with the involvement and support of the masses. So in order to overthrow the British, they were demanding, we want Swaraj. That means independence from the British rule. And how we will get the independence? By using our political anti-government movements, and with the help of all the involvement and support of the people, we can finally get the Swaraj. The Congress would have to be transferred from a platform for debates among the westernized Indian intelligentsia into a regiment of freedom fighters, united, determined, confident and willing to make sacrifices. So the Congress or the radicals, they thought that in order to overthrow the British, they have to use the ideas of the Western education in our movement, and with the help of Indians intelligence, and with the united, or you can say with the help of all the people, whether they are from the upper section or the lower section, or whether they are from the Muslim or Hindu community, all should come together, and they should have a feeling of nationalism or love for our country, and they should sacrifice themselves in order to get independence from the British rule. So these are the methods of the radicals.